we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing slight signs of a converge. And as for resistance, that'll be where we have the 200-day moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,856. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 1.8%. And we failed to close above it as indicated with February 10th. And as for support, that'll be where you have the lows made back in February 4th at around a price of $1,793. If we were to test that support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 1.7%. As for the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $168.12, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $175.33. My stop loss is at $165.56. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $177.30, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $170.74, and my stop loss is at $180. So whichever entry point were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 57% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 2.7%, and to the downside a 29% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2.7%. For the extreme case to the downside, a 14% chance to fall between negative 2.7 to negative 5.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.